Morning. Oh, we had a push up and then a drop. Cool. Let's do some analysis. So we closed week bearish yesterday. We pushed up during Asian, broke the highs, which I was kind of looking for yesterday. Didn't quite reach daily resistance. But we're pulling back. It's NFP day. I'm kind of anticipating a bit of a range before news at 1:30. Let's look for some trade ideas. So 4 hour, we have a support at 2656, 2643, 2643, 56. Yep. And then we have a resistance, which is kind of respected. 2667. So we'll leave that one the same. And 2677. So we'll leave those from yesterday. And then let's drop down to the 30-minute. Got resistance. Yeah, we'll leave that how that is. 2670. Let's see where we're at. 2670, 2673, 83. If gold decides to push up there today, and we got support, nice support that was held during Asian, 2655, 2655, and 2642. Right, so these are the levels that I'm looking out for today. Might be looking at getting into a trade in a second. Let's have a look. We've closed back in the range and we're falling. Could actually look for some sells right now. Kind of like a fake out. Breaking the low. Stop loss above the entry candle. There's potential right here. Let's see if price will drop. We'll see how this plays out. Put this in the group. Alright. Well, I'll be back in 2 seconds. Let's take a look at GJ. Where this daily candle open. Open right here. Let's get rid of all of this. Start again. Seven, 7, 8. Four-hour resistance. Cool. Broken below support already. Could be getting a retest of this broken level before price pushes down some more. So we've got a 1 hour support. Got resistance zone here. Alright. I mean, GJ kind of looked like a double bottom. And now it looks a bit like a double top. So if it is a double top, to complete it would need to break this neckline and push back down. I've already broken yesterday's low, so we could see further sells. We'll see how the structure forms. So adjust that. Let's look at this rejection area. This could be like a break and retest. So we'll see how this 8 o'clock 30-minute candle closes. If If it closes back up in the range, we could see buyers back up to resistance. If it respects this area here and forms a resistance, then I'm probably looking for sells back down. That leads to this support, and then further down to this higher time frame support as well. So yeah, a couple of things to look out for. You go grab a bottle of water. Oh, this one didn't play out then. Didn't actually get in, just wanted to see what would happen. Kind of like a break and retest. But I do think it might come back down and fill this range. If anything, now probably would have been the best time to get in, because it's made the top wick, it's retested this broken level, and now flipping. So if it re-breaks this low, then it should continue, or re-breaks its own low even, comes back down, re-breaks, pushes, it should come back down to this support, fill the range. Yeah, 15-minute, got a bit of a continuation pattern. Yeah, I think GJ is really what I'm looking for. It just looks a bit cleaner than gold. Do you want to wait for this resistance to form and then push down? 15 minutes for that. Let's see how this gold continuation pattern plays out. If I do a little zoom, who's up? GBPJPY. If gold closes below this line, and weak bullish. We should get that continuation pattern and it continue down. But GJ is looking like the trade. Just don't want it to push too far down in this range. Not too far, please. Just hang about here. Nice top wick. Entry and a break of the low. Okay, GJ's pushing without us. Could have potentially got in on a 15-minute again like yesterday. Retested resistance, formed resistance. It's like a morning star pattern. Enter break of the low. Stop loss above. If it breaks its own low, I think gold will keep going down. Yeah, that's good. Give us some range, GJ. Oh, gold push back up. Yeah, we'll leave gold anyway. So for GJ, the daily's bearish. We've had a zone, support, and resistance. We've closed below the support. We've pushed down, we've formed a new low. Price has come up, retested this broken support. Now we're looking for a resistance to form here and then sell back down to 191.89. Depending on how this candle closes, don't want a weak bearish candle, want a strong body bear candle. So we'll see how that closes in 5 minutes. Gold breaks back into this range. I still think we'll retest the lows of the Asian session. But ideally we need to close below this support. Yo. Gold pushing back up. Yo.
Oh, go on.
What should we say? My volume off. My volume was off. My bad.
Yeah. No, I've been up for a minute still.
Oh, nice. What you been doing? At the charts?
Yeah. The charts are done, little analysis.
Wicked.
But for the major pairs and stuff, I only really like. It really looks like it's CHFJPY bearish right now.
Okay.
So I'm looking for a little. Well, this one seems to close, to be fair. I'm looking for a little tap off that tone, but this is it keeps price keeps getting rejected around 171, 740. So I'll just keep an eye on it.
Okay.
Done a bit on gold as well. I was looking at your daily analysis.
Yeah.
I've kind of got roughly the same sort of area, but mine looks a little bit different.
Okay.
So you know when you say like sells from higher time frame, you talking like 4 hour,
Yeah.
and then lower time frames like 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So 4 hour. That's why I've got this one like 6, 7. Sort of just rounded it up, and then up here.
Well, let me show you. I'll show you my one.
Oh yeah.
See
Oh, I'm not
where
even
I'm
sharing my screen, so I'm saying up here. You can't even see. Hold on, let me sort the yeah, you should be able to do it now.
Yeah, so I've got I highlight this area here for like where prices kind of are rejecting.
Yeah.
I just dropped down from there, but what zone is that? What's that? 2664. Yeah, so that's where I was looking from sales from, but I think you got yours a little bit higher. I've got this range here, which is like 266. I know price pushed up there. You can see that. Yeah, I kind of got it like there at the moment. So seeing where like price kind of rejected this area and gone down.
Yeah, so the daily level I have
4 hour. Yeah, so 4 hours kind of, yeah, it's pretty similar. I'm going to tap that area. It's gone back down.
Yep.
So I've got that area there. I've got a little alert here, just in case it breaks this resistance. And I've got like a little zone marked out.
Okay.
Around here. It's above and below, because if it closes in this zone, I'm expecting buys up to here. Or out to there, really.
Okay. That CHFJPY, what are you looking for in that?
So like the way they've done it, like the way they told me to do it is to look at obviously major pairs, see how it's performing. Obviously when I was up this morning it was like here on its way down. So it's like it's still a small climb, but price is rejecting.
What's it saying on the daily time frame? That's the trend you should be looking at.
Yeah. So I had it down as bearish. And then obviously it went through all the currency pairs. So I think this was bearish. And I think these two were bullish. So then I did Sterling JPY to see.
Wait, hold on. This one's not bullish.
I think I was looking at 4 hours this morning. So
if you're looking for like the overall trend, you're going to be looking at the daily time frame.
Okay.
The dailies is how you're going to find your trend. 100%. Like when you drop down to lower time frames from the daily, you're just looking at the current structure, but you have to identify what phase of the trend you're in the market. Right now, it's bearish, but it's in the pullback phase. But this, where it is now, look, if you just hover over the resistance that is forming, or the previous resistance, yeah. So it's at a level where the last higher low is. Like it's, as long as price respects the level above, so just go one up to the previous resistance, the one above it. Yeah, if price stays below here, we've still got a downtrend. This is it could just pull back to these last levels, but unless it breaks above there, then it's broken the structure to go back up.
Yeah.
So be careful when you're looking for trends, because it's where you might think it's an uptrend, it's just a pullback. But you have to look at the overall structure. And the EMAs right now are telling you that it's on a downtrend. So yeah, just be mindful of where structure is on the higher time frame, not the 4 hour.
So I had, what's this one? USD, Yeah, I have got that in there. Downtrend, to be fair. So I've got sterling, I've got cable uptrend, euro USD uptrend.
And all the pairs that start with USD are going to be on the downtrend overall. Yeah.
And then I put so these two were the strongest. Hold on. Yeah, this was an up. Well, it looked like it was an uptrend.
This is an uptrend, definitely, but it was just in the pullback phase. Again, yeah, it's just pulling back from the highs.
So this looks like it's a bit of a because it's respected that low, in it.
So unless it closes below that last low, it's still more of an uptrend. It hasn't transitioned to a downtrend yet. I was looking at some GJ Sells, but the candle closed like a continuation pattern, so I might have to. No, I still want the Sells, to be fair.
Yeah. So what I did, I got them two were strong. These two were bearish. Well, actually, these two were bearish. Then I did. What do I compare it against? So JPY and Swiss franc were bearish. So then I did CHF.
They're both bearish.
Yeah. Against the USD. So then I put it against each other. And then saw that, that was it this one? I say this is an uptrend.
What's an uptrend?
Well, this was going back, so it's respected. It's not gone.
It's just a pullback.
Pullback, yeah.
Well, it's kind of ranging.
Yeah.
So what I do when I'm looking for trying to identify a range is I draw a box from the high to the low. And I just call it zone, and then I look at from the
from here.
Yeah, I don't just draw a big box, and then I look at what the structure is like inside that box. Where it go from all the way so there all the way to the end, and then to the beginning. So go across to the left as well. Drag that. Yeah, all the way to the left. Right there. That's what I look at. Like what the structure is like inside there. And it's more sideways than anything.
Yeah, true.
Like if I look at alright, I'll give you another example. Go on pound yen.
Here.
Yeah, if I draw a box on pound yen, yeah, right. So then from the low, then what I'll do is I'll start at the low, and then I'll go up to where the high was. Yeah, so from there, and then, yeah, go to the other high, because it's, yeah, there, go down again, yeah, and then up to the next high, boom, and then to the low, and then to the high. Now, to me, it looks like it's transitioning to go back up.
Yeah.
Do you see it?
Yeah. It's making a
Yes. So I'm
yeah.
always looking at
It's
the
high.
highs and lows in the structure. But what I don't have to draw it out no more because I can see it when I just look at it. But that's what I would do to identify the phase, or if it's ranging. I'm literally looking at the highs and lows and marking out those highs and lows.
Yeah. Yeah, it makes sense.
And it's made a low, then it's made a high, and now it's pushing up. It's a break of structure.
Mm. Yeah, that makes sense.
So yeah, on the daily time frame, do that. Always like try box off where the highs and lows are,
Mm.
and then you can take it from there. You can see like, all right, if it breaks this last high, if it's on a downtrend overall, this is where that last higher low is. So if we break above there, then we could potentially, yes, be at the bottom of a upcoming uptrend.
Mm.
I'm looking at some sells on GJ now. I want it to break this 30-minute low at 192.12 and then push down.
Yeah, it'd be good to get into trades at the same time if we could. But then that would be like a confirmation for me when I'm learning live, if that makes sense.
Yeah, so look, you said pound is strong, yen is weak. So do like a lower time frame analysis on this.
Mm.
So yeah, clear all of this.
So, I mean, would have thought out here, man, we're looking for a closure above, innit?
I don't know the exact. How's your exact EMA strategy work?
Yeah, again, it's just like, it's supposed to be like if there's a golfing candle, whatever, you need a clean candle closure above here and then you enter above the top wick.
Okay. Well, you know my thing. I'm just looking at 30-minute. At the moment, I've just got 30-minute support and resistances drawn up, and I'm just looking for. I'm looking for this resistance to form and then sell from that resistance.
Right. So probably around here somewhere if it gets up to there.
Make your candles longer so you can mark out your support and resistance levels.
Yeah, so I have then yeah, anywhere between this and this, and that's it. These are like previous resistance levels, so the box right there.
And then I've got if you look at the Discord, I sent my chart in the Discord so you can see exactly what I'm looking at. I sent it earlier.
Yeah, got it up.
So we had the support, resistance, we broke below the support, and now it looks like price is retesting that broken support. So if it holds underneath, then I'm looking for sells back down to 191.89.
What time frame is that on?
30-minute. Daily's bearish right now. Looking at the daily time frame, we've kind of made a double top.
Yeah.
And then we've already broken
190.
Yes, we've already broken yesterday's low, so I'm kind of expecting it to re-break it and then push back down. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for. I was looking at sells on gold, but it didn't really want to push down into this range. It's kind of a break and retest. Boom. Just you can turn off the EMA so you can see the chart be a bit cleaner. Yeah, just boom. There we go. Less noise.
I was looking at this yesterday, to be fair, like a new indicator, but I don't know, it's not always.
How would you use that?
It's just basically saying it's similar to RSI and it's just oversold and overbought. But yeah, like even over here, like at what stage are you gonna then identify this actually? Because if you went, I don't know, let me have a look here, like this candle here, that's up there. Yes, you can see rejection candles, but then not until we're here really. That one is on the line to then sell from here. Because to be fair, if you saw that anyway, you'd sell.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? But I would have noticed that mainly on the candle pattern rather than like looking at this.
Yeah, most of them indicators are lagging indicators, so they tell you what's happened after the fact, after it's already happening.
Yeah, because I've seen it I see like this bit's like moving down and up depending on what the candle's doing while it's live. So you won't really know. It just means you miss out on you get a later entry. Yeah, this looks like it's rejecting this area. But then if you used to sell down to here, that's not. I don't know. Is that a lot of pips?
Measure it out.
Used to get in like here.
Yeah, I would want it to break, like with volume, push past that support anyway, and keep going.
Okay. What's the next support down from there?
It's like 191.50, 191.43. Yeah. About 70 pips. 70 pips. Really, I'd want it to drop all the way down to the daily zone. Down to 190.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, I think that'll be like an all-day hold. We've got NFP today as well.
What does that mean?
Non-farms payroll. So big news for USD.
USD.
Yeah. Yep. Look at GJ on the 15-minute time frame as well. Yeah, it looks like it wants to come down. So.
Would you wait till it gets past one of these candles?
Yeah, I'm just waiting for this. I kind of want it to break the low. Break the low of the 30-minute. And I'll probably get in. Not right now. And if we get a nice, if this 15-minute candle closes nice and strong, yeah, definitely. I do want some sells. Got some nice moves off GJ recently.
So where would your entry be? Because I was thinking like here.
Yeah, once it breaks that 30-minute low. Once it breaks that, I'm all in.
Alright, I'm gonna tee this up on my
But it's just waiting for the candle to close now, because it's, look at these 15 minutes, they keep pulling up. They're closing weak. It's being quite annoying actually. So yeah, I might actually just wait for the 30-minute candle to close and see how it's closing.
how do I put my little watch list again back on here? Market watch, yeah.
And gold. What's that? Gold wants to push back up.
Yeah, I've got a little alarm set there.
What, based on a 4-hour time frame?
No, I think it was on the 30. Yeah. Might engulf in this candle. It pushes past that top wick.
Okay. So what, that's where you'd be looking for an entry?
Yeah, well, I think it was when this broke down. But then, like, if it's on the way back up, then yeah, I mean, technically here I should be entering here, innit?
Yeah, form support. You've got resistance, it's form support. If it breaks the high of the support, it should go back up and retest that resistance. Let's keep it simple.
Yeah.
That's if it does. If it can get back up there. The only thing I don't like about gold right now is like the 1 hour has engulfed the last candle.
Up here,
Yeah.
strong.
And it's closed below.
What?
It's closed below this. So look at the first support that it formed. With the weak.
Below that support.
Yes. So it's engulfed and it's closed below that support. So like back in that range.
Mm.
Yeah. That's why I'm not like super convinced on buys. And then if it does, it's kind of close to that. It's close to the resistance anyway, so I don't really want to buy right into that resistance.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's see how gold plays out. And it's closed back in Asian range as well.
Yeah, I don't even have I don't even have Asian range like
Well,
that.
it's Asian
It'll just
range
be
is just look at the 530 candle. So the high, wherever the high is from the 5:30 a.m. candle, that's Asian highs. You don't even need to have the indicator on.
okay. So from here,
Yeah, and then the low would be below the 12 a.m. So Asian range is from 12 till 5:30. So that's Asian lows, and then 5:30 Asian highs. So anywhere in between that bit is Asian highs and lows. Boom.
yeah.
Oh, GJ's pushing up. Oh, it's that continuation pattern. I saw it and I ignored it, but it plays out every time. Yeah, GJ's about to run up. Yeah, there's no sales right now, boy.
It's how that closed, alright.
Nah, it's just blasted up into the range.
Still 3 minutes left, so
You know what?
yeah,
You're right. You're right.
back
You're
up.
right. Yeah, nah.
Right.
Not the way this is pushing. This is like something has just come out.
You got something on 9 o'clock, innit?
Yeah. I'm sure this happened not yesterday, the other day with pound yen. The thing is, they've got like new people in government and this and that, so sometimes they just say things out there and it just reacts. It just makes the yen drop. But if anything, if it let me see what the daily time frame is looking like. Yeah, nah, this push up is nuts. We'll see what happens when it touches this resistance. Asian highs. And gold is dropping.
See, like, even for here, the EMA rule would be you need to have a candle closure below and then
Closure below.
Like if you was going in for sales, for example.
But when the EMAs need to
But
be,
the EMAs will have to.
yeah.
Yeah.
I was gonna say, I know these EMAs are looking hella bullish right now.
But even like here, like look at the alignment of these, yeah. Like these are alright. So full candle above, then obviously it's gone below. Then that's a full closure below. And then look how it's played out. It's just gone that
sideways. But this whole area is a range.
Yeah.
I mean, look at the EMAs. They're all moving sideways. You couldn't use them to find an entry in this.
Yeah, just be messy.
Exactly.
I got in on an Asian session. I actually went to bed early so I could get out early as well. Pissed. Imagine I would have seen that. I would have got in like here. Five, yes. Decent.
Right, 9 o'clock. So gold from the resistance.
It's still closed above. Wait a minute. That's just. What is that?
Yeah, I can't look at that EMA stuff, man. It just give me a headache. It's just too much lines going on, man. This is not clear at all. I need a clean chart. I'm just going off the support and resistance lines. It's just so it's easy for me. Do you know what I mean? So now we've got a support. We formed a resistance, a lower high. Like if it breaks the low, I want sells. Like simple sells from resistance. Boom. Yeah, I think if it breaks this low, I'll probably get into some sells in a 30-minute. Yep.
Are you talking about a closure below this low or just breaking it?
Just breaking the low. Because we formed the support, formed the resistance. Now we're going back down.
Okay. Yeah, because that's closed below the previous low. So if that goes down, then yeah.
Yeah, little 26 pip stop loss above the previous candle. And then with volume, should push past this support.
So you reckon 2660?
Now it's breaking the low. That's it. My entries are always the same. Breaking the previous low, previous high. That's it.
So you're in it now?
Yeah, I'm in. It broke the low. Broke the low. Stop loss above the previous. Up 4 pips already. Go on, go. Keep it pushing. If it breaks its own high, then I'll look at managing the risk. About 25 pip stop loss. So I enter a small position first. As the trade is going down, then I add positions on. But my initial trade and risk is very small.
Okay. So if it breaks that high, would you get it again?
No. I'm looking to reduce risk if it goes in the opposite direction.
Oh.
Come on, 10 pips up already.
In terms of breaking the low, you're talking about this low, not this one.
Which low? Yeah, that one there. Boom.
Okay. And then your TP would be
Down here, yeah. Yeah, I'm just thinking about structure, and I always look for the most recent level. So we had a support. Like, look at the structure. We've gone up. We've broken below that last support. We've come up. We've made a resistance, which is lower than the previous one. So I want to sell from this resistance to continue down, to now make a new low.
Yeah, this would be like the new resistance, isn't it? Yeah.
When I'm looking at my own chart. Yes.
Okay.
So I want gold to keep pushing down. Got a clean range to the left. But if it pulls back and it breaks its own high, so at like 10 pips, if it pulls back 10 pips, I'm closing half the position.
Okay.
Because even though I've got only a 25 pip stop loss, I still don't want to hit full stop loss. I'll close half. If it comes back down, then I'll add that position back on.
Okay.
But it did get to about 10 pips. I wanted to keep pushing. So as we pass that support, just keep going. Come on, Goldie. Be nice. Just jerking about. Let's see what GJ's saying. GJ's not continuing to push up.
Let's see if it passes off this support zone.
What's that?
GJ.
Oh. I wanted to just bust back below that flipping support and just keep pushing down. But I reckon it'll slow down after that. Let's see, Goldie. Oh man, I just need some volume for gold, man. Some volume.
It's just bouncing around.
It is, but it's kind of expected because it is like there is a support there, innit? But with volume, we could push past support. But I do expect it to play around there because it is a key level. Do you know what I mean? But yeah, mess about and then just bust through and continue.
Shit. These Telegram you're just saying. Quite strong.
Come and go, Lee. Keep on going. Alright, let's see GJ. Yeah, if GJ closes back below this support, then I don't really want to take sales after 9:30, but if it does, I'm looking for an entry. Oh, yeah, about to close half. Yeah, cut half. Could just be making a bit of a longer top wick, to be fair. New 1 hour candle. I don't like when gold pushes down first as well. Like if it makes a top wick first.
Yeah, it continues down.
Yeah. But then if it reflips, breaks its own low, yeah, I'm back in some more. See how this 15-minute closes as well. 15-minute looks like it's going to close bullish.
Hopefully, they'll break that high, innit? So hopefully, they'll break that high.
What, the 15-minute?
No, the 30. Oh yeah, even 15 as well, to be fair.
Yeah. So I don't even mind if the 15 closes weak bullish. It'll kind of be a continuation pattern going down, but as long as it don't break the 30-minute high, then yeah, obviously the trade's still good. See this GJ 15-minute looks like it just about to close back in the range. I've got to wait for that 30-minute to close.
Let's scalp selling gold quickly, mid-risk.
Yeah, gangster. I'm still thinking sells anyway. 100%.
I want to see what these guys put in the route now.
Where's their stop loss?
They haven't put the signal on yet. They said let's start selling gold. I think he's doing it now. I reckon the stop loss will be the same place.
Now they have big stop losses. Their stop losses ain't never like 20 pips. Is this the second group or the first group?
The second group.
Okay.
They made a killing yesterday, boy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. One guy got 20 bags, one guy got 7 bags, 23 bags. Oh, here we go. So go from 2661 to 2665. Stop loss 2667.
Okay, the highest resistance.
Good.
So sell all up in this range basically. What's their TP?
5.9.
Okay.
And then TP2 is 5.7. So they're saying from up here. That will break for our stop loss where.
Come on, Goldie, do something. It's mad that even though they, like the area they're looking for sells, they're expecting it to pull up and then sell back down.
Yeah, they're expecting a big push up. To be fair, there has been rejection kind of in this area here, but
Go and re-break below. GJ's pushing back up. God just needs to break this support. This 15-minute support. And 30-minute really. 26.60. Once it pushes past 26.60, should be good. Let's get into that slow time now.
Surprised there's been little volume, man. Like, there's only really been that drop. But that's for 7.
Yeah, and we got a little gap there as well, so that might get filled.